Ready. After you power on your CNC control, the next process in your lesson number 2 is to home position. Meaning is your X, Y, and Z have to be homed according to the manufacturing company. To do that, we gotta go press reset button one time. Next to that, there's a power up reset button. Just press one time, and you're gonna be able to see it's moving your X, Y, Z. If for some reason you have two more axes, your tronion, which is A and B, you're gonna be able to see your A and B axis home position. So your axis is gonna move, it's gonna be X axis, and then it's gonna be Y axis, and the last one is gonna be your Z axis home position. Press one more time to just send home your Z axis. You will be able to see it. So this is the process to home position.